Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your Kraken account's password. Keep watching the video till the end. To reset your Kraken account's password, firstly open up your Kraken application. The official page of Kraken application will appear on the screen. Scroll all the way down to the end and click on Sign In option. Enter your email address or username and tap on Reset Password link. Enter your email address in the given space and tap on Reset Password button. A reset link will be sent to your email. Open your email and tap on Mail sent by Kraken. Scroll down and click on Create New Password. Enter your new password and confirm your new password by re-entering it. Tick mark on the box and click on Save. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. Now log into your Kraken's account by entering your new password. This is how you can reset your password on Kraken accounts quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.